I want to share with you this awesome product. This is DermRays laser machine. Now this is a high quality at-home laser machine that is designed to be very protective of your skin. It is a cool laser machine, and it is an advanced laser device that is absorbed in the skin tissues. Now it will address your skin tissues without damaging the epidermis. That's so important. So many at-home devices, you're not really sure how it's working, but this is dermatology tested and approved. Now, you will enjoy benefits of skin tightening, spot reduction, and skin smoothing, and you will also see some brightening of your skin. Now, this is an awesome at-home device that you normally have to go to the spa to get professional treatment for. And the unboxing is simple. It just comes in the box, and you take it out and plug it in. There's nothing to put together, and it is quite refreshing that it's in a traditional plug-in. You don't have to charge it first and depend upon it being ready to go. And the charging cord is very long, so you can operate it and be very comfortable anywhere you want to go. As you can see, I still have a lot of cord that's not even unwrapped here. But this is how we use it. It is 1064 nAmps super pulsed laser. Now, why is that important? Because dermatologists have discovered that that is the ultimate frequency for skin brightening and addressing wrinkles. Now, I invite you to get this along with me, and I will have several videos about this product as I see my improvements. Now, this is the first time I'm using it, and I'm going to show you how you do it for the first time. It comes with a very good guide, very easy, simple get start guide. Now I want to show you how to use that very easy the first time because it's going to be very simple. There's 3 modes here. You have a power button, and there's 3 modes. I recommend you start with the first mode, and you divide your skin into 4 zones. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spend about 120 seconds on each zone. Now you're going to put this laser here, not in your eyes, but directly on your face in a circular motion. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. It's very cool and delightful. And we're going to repeat this process all over the entire area. Now, when we press this ready button, it will beep. Then you have addressed that you have made contact with your skin, and it pulses as it sees a need to send that laser treatment. So it will pulsate during the entire use. I'm going to do this side of my face. Now I have a couple of dark spots here. I'm going to let it sit on that dark spot a little bit, and it also addresses the area under your eyes. It gives out the proper amount of heat and cool to address that. It feels really, really nice. And we're going to repeat those zones here, 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 and here, continuing to do it in a circular motion. Now I'm doing it quicker than you would do it when you're doing it at home, because you can allow 120 seconds for each quarter on the lower speed. Now, as you increase the speeds, as you progress, you require a little shorter time. And then as time goes by, you can reduce the frequency. It's recommended you do this 3 times a week, and I'm going to do it. I want to get all the benefits. And as your skin improves, you can cut that back and stay on maintenance. But this is a great quality tool, high professional tool that you get to use at home. Now, follow us for more videos from this great product. It was provided for me to share with you. DermRays will boost your skin vitality, and you will have the best skin possible. I highly recommend this. So easy to use. We can do this together, and here is the simple instructions. So when you open it up, not a lot to do. Plug it in, follow the instructions, and start your great skin improvement. I highly recommend it.